Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is importance of restorative justice. Take a brief definition. What is restorative justice? Restorative justice is an approach to criminal justice that emphasizes repairing the harm caused by criminal behavior through collaboration between offenders, victims, and communities. This approach seeks to address the root causes of criminal behavior and promote accountability and healing rather than solely punishing offenders. Examples of restorative justice. Let's take victim offender mediation. Victim offender mediation. One is victim, the other one is offender, come together with a trained mediator to discuss the harm caused by the offense and how it can be repaired. Restorative justice, we are discussing how to repair, finding out causes of offense. For example, if a student steals another student's phone, they might participate in victim offender mediation to discuss the impact of the theft on the victim and to come up with a plan to return the phone and make amends. In schools or with students, one student stole another's mobile phone. In victim offender mediation, they are discussing about the impact of the theft on the victim and summarizing and come up with a plan to return the phone and make amends. So the purpose is to repair the damage, not only the punishing of offenders. This is one of the simple example of restorative justice. Importance of restorative justice for several reasons. Number one, focus on repairing harm. In restorative justice system, we are focusing on repairing harm. Traditional punitive approaches to criminal justice tend to focus on punishing the offender rather than repairing the harm caused by the offense. Restorative justice, on the other hand, emphasizes repairing the harm and addressing the needs of both the victim and the community. So, in restorative justice, we are focusing on repairing harm. The second point is encourage accountability. Restorative justice holds offenders accountable for their actions in a way that is more meaningful and constructive than traditional punishment. Offenders are required to take responsibility for their actions and actively participate in the process of repairing the harm caused by the behavior. In restorative justice, the other important reason is encourage accountability. Offenders accountable for their actions in a way that is more meaningful and constructive than traditional punishment. Offenders are required to take responsibility of their actions and actively participate in the process of repairing the harm caused by their behavior. Promote healing. The third reason and importance of restorative justice is to promote healing. Victims of crime often experience emotional and psychological trauma that can last long after the offense has been committed. Restorative justice provides victims with the opportunity to express Sorry. Uh, let's start again. Promote healing. Victims of crime often experience emotional and psychological trauma that can last long after the offense has been committed. Restorative justice provides victims with the opportunity to express their feelings and needs in a safe and supportive environment, which can be a crucial step in the healing process. In offenses, in crimes, healing is the thing uh, that is neglected. In restorative justice, we are discussing victim and the crime. What are their emotional and psychological traumas that happened? In restorative justice provides victims with the opportunity to express their feelings and needs in a safe and supportive environment, which can be a crucial step in the healing process. The fourth important reason of restorative justice is reduce recidivism. Fourth point is reduce recidivism. Studies have shown that restorative justice programs are associated with lower rates of recidivism compared to traditional punitive approaches. This is because restorative justice programs address the root causes of criminal behavior and provide offenders with the tools they need to make positive changes in their lives. Reduce recidivism. Number fifth point is build stronger communities. In restorative justice programs involve communities in the process of repairing harm caused by crime, which can help build stronger and more cohesive communities. This is because the process emphasizes collaboration, dialogue, and understanding rather than punishment and retribution. Overall, restorative justice is important because it offers a more constructive and meaningful approach to addressing crime and its effects on individuals and communities. It focuses on repairing harm, promoting accountability, and building stronger communities, which can lead to a more just and peaceful society. This is it. These are the importance of criminal justice. Number one is focus on repairing harm. Restorative justice is focusing on repairing harm. Encourage accountability. Promote healing. Reduce recidivism. And the fifth is build stronger communities. Restorative justice system is repairing harms that done by crimes. Thank you so much.